really exists. But yeah, I mean, just the whole respect and the love and all of that. But I'm actually bored of answering this question. Can I pass it? Yeah. Sorry about this. Yeah, I mean, this just every morning you wake up and sometimes you wake up thinking, oh, I need space, and the next morning you wake up saying, no, I don't need space, and it's just mixed up as far as I'm concerned. Mugdha, I think you should answer it.
Okay. I definitely agree. I'm not saying that again, but yes. My list keeps changing every day. Today is the list of unshaven men, so tomorrow it will be different. Yeah.
No, we'll have to disagree. It's a half and half. It's what if men are sort of doing roles that are totally surrounded around them, and then women are taking over that aspect. And there used to be a time when women used to be parading around in swimsuits to make movies sell, and now men are doing that. So it's what women used to do, men are doing, or men used to do, women are doing. So it's a half and half. Yeah. No, I'd have to say depending on what the role is, for sure. I mean, a film has got nothing to do with him. If you're asking me if I need to settle down with someone or the man in my life and all that, yeah. But if it's Abhishek Bachchan, it depends on Mani Ratnam or whichever director he's working with. It doesn't depend on what I want him to look like, for sure.
Well, it's a great concept that they've started. Walls Hair is the name of the movement that we started, which means women against lazy stubble. So we are ganging up, and we are going to send the message across to men that they must shave. Shaving every day is extremely good. Women have the right to have the men around them be presentable, be clean, be fresh looking. So that's the movement that we have, and of course the logical person to partner on the movement is Gillette, because they are the foremost leaders in razors and manufacturing of shaving material for the very same process. So it was but natural that we associate with the brand, and we just hope that you guys, and especially women out there, join the movement and are pushing men to shave more. We have 2-3 more events coming up where we are planning to galvanize more stuff and get the movement forward. But to kickstart the movement, this has been the very first event that we're doing. Well, women are born consumerists. Women will buy anything, anywhere. You give them a 50% discount and they will pick up stuff that they don't need. So you don't need to entice a woman to shop. But I think men need to get more free with their money and more experimenting more with things to buy. So it's a great idea to get women to sell products, especially products that are meant for men. At least then they will go out and they will buy them. I think Gillette is the leader as far as razors are concerned in its category. There is no competition for Gillette. It is by far the most advanced razor possible, so it has no competition. Well, I never take stress on anything anyway, so no, I was not stressed yesterday. I was completely fine, as I'm fine today. Well, not exactly. I think our police is extremely competent and know how to do their job very well, so it is not something that one has to keep following up on top of it, which is very good to know. It has stopped, yes, thankfully. Unfortunately, then the only thing that one can do is take police action for someone to stop harassing you. So that's done and over with now. But I just think this is all the workings of a sick mind. एक बहुत ही बीमार दिमाग है और इस आदमी को मदद चाहिए. He needs psychiatric help. I think it's suffering from some sort of mental illness, and person needs help actually. Yes, of course, you have your friends who are supporting you, and if you need anything at all. So, but mainly it's the police that's doing their job, which I'm really glad with. Thank you so much.
Well, I think most importantly, firstly, thank you for the compliment that you're saying that we're hot women. But I think with Gillette and then the whole brand association comes because we're all here for a cause, which is walls. It's women against lazy stubbles. So we're really associating ourselves with that, and we're trying to tell men that they're very hot in any case, but they'll get even hotter if they shave. And yeah, I mean, clean-shaven men look fantastic, and that's what we're trying to promote. Well, if we have the biggest stars in the country promoting fairness creams, which is of course a woman's product, I'm sure women are allowed to promote whatever they like. Well, I'm sure they're doing it for a role and for a reason, and maybe for a good cause. But I mean, on a day off, we really like them to shave. You can't associate it with actors because actors do a lot of things to look a certain way. But in their personal lives, we're just telling men and we're propagating that they should go out there and shave. Considering the razors have become so cheap. Well, जैसे मैंने कहा कि फिल्म की जो बातें होती हैं वो बहुत अलग होती हैं from what the message is that we're trying to give out. Because you're playing a character there. और अगर हमें on screen किसी जो actor है उनकी stubble है या beard है and if we have to romance them, I don't think इतना मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि हम सिर्फ काम कर रहे हैं. I'm never going to choose कि यहाँ पे stubble होनी चाहिए या he should have emotion, only then I'll romance him. It's really not my place and choice. Well, it is somewhere in between where for as long as the war is on, we will be with them. But after that, it might just come to an end. I think it's very unfortunate that, because we're public figures and then there is a certain accessibility to our lives. But, जो लोग इतना तंग करते हैं और हमारे जो numbers होते हैं वो काफ़ी public हो जाते हैं और उस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाते हैं. I think what they're doing is they're wasting their time and ours, and it shouldn't happen. And if it happens repeatedly, I really feel that the police should take strong actions against people who are making our lives miserable. Well, I'm sure there is a law against harassment, so this definitely falls under harassment. Well, yeah, I mean, there's I have seen the film. It's nice, and I'm hoping that the audience likes it as well. So yeah. Well, of course, when I was a child, I always wanted to grow up and I'd be like, I'm grown up. But now that I've grown up, I want to go back to being a child. So I just like to tell all the children out there, enjoy yourselves. It's your time, it's your moment, and they should go out and have a blast. Well, it has to be me.